Welcome to Surf and Turf Family Adventures, where I'm going to be using a lathe for the second time and I'm going to be making a cup. The cup today is made up of a mixture of birch, black walnut, and some maple at the bottom. It took a while to glue up and then transform into this little cup. While using this roughing gouge, I had a really hard time trying not to press too hard into the block of wood. I kept stopping it. I wasn't exactly sure if this was the right way to do it. Let me know if I'm doing it wrong. Again, this is my second time ever doing this. Um, the next part of this is I just sped it up and showed how I finally kind of rounded this block of wood together. Now that I've finished shaping, sanding, and I'm applying this mixture of mineral oils and beeswax that I make, I this is my favorite part of this whole process is seeing the finished product. Now I'm separating the base from the top. I'm using a parting tool and just cutting a groove. And this part was really cool because I figured out how to sharpen this tool and it made these awesome like little snake wood pieces coming off. I'm not sure what they are, but they're really cool. And I really enjoyed this part. Here I sped it up a little bit and watch as I separate the base from the top. Thanks for watching this episode of Surf and Turf Family Adventures, where I made this cup out of a block of wood, mixture of birch, black walnut, and maple. Remember to comment, give me a like if you like this, and hit the subscribe to see more stuff like this.